Hey, what is up, dudes and dudettes? This is Due Diligence here, and today we're gonna talk about the ticker symbol TMC. So there are a lot of OG members in our Discord and Patreon are asking about TMC because one is we were gonna short it when it's really high, and we sort of anticipated it to drop a little bit more, and then because we did a lot of data wrangling and a lot of similar situation going on, and we do believe, as a group or as Discord or as a channel, we do believe that steel prices actually would have a little run, due to inflation, due to construction demand, due to a lot of other demand, including military demand. But we're gonna get into that in other videos about potential riot strikes in the next few months, due to the labor market movement, interest rate, and all that kind of stuff, all these shenanigans. Because we did a lot of historical analysis and all that kind of stuff. But going back to TMC, TMC is a meme stock. It's an absolute meme stock that took over Wall Street Bet about 2 weeks ago, and it sort of stack up a little bit within that time frame, and all of a sudden last week it dropped a huge amount, and this week it kind of just stabilizes as one of the lowest point here. Okay, around today we drop into one of the lowest point at 3.98, and if you go check the short interest, now I'm not exactly get how much short interest is there, but my guess, or you guys can back check of me, but my guess and what I think the short interest is probably over 50%, probably somewhere around 63%, even higher than that. You know what, we can check it right now. TMC short interest. Let's see, not here, Fintel, our old friend Fintel here, and we go look at how much we're short. Oh, look at this borrowing rate. That means it's, so today and tomorrow is gonna be one of the lowest point you will see on a stock, I think, in a very short term period of time. So if we utilize that logic, go back down, and we will see some very interesting statistics about dark pool. Oh, even dark pool, you almost have a 30% short range here, and short interest. Whoa. Fintel actually changed how they proposed their thing. Interesting. The dark pool shorting interest. Interesting. Fintel changed how they're doing this, huh? Very interesting. So let's go on other sides, right? Short volume. There are other companies that does that, like this one. Well, this one also give you the 30-day implied volatility, and then you will see, I think the previous close is over here, and then the 30-day line is over here, blah blah blah. It wiggles back and forth, and eventually, if you look at the in terms of the general volatility trend, it's gonna converge to here. It's converged to this point. I will tell you guys why it's important. It's converged to this point. It's right now. It's right here, right? So that means volatility is gonna fall a little bit. That means the price, the general price, is gonna stabilize around $4. So this is when it's actually pretty good to look into the $4, either the $4 call or the $4 put, depending on how you see the stock generally go. But if you're buying $4 puts here, that means you're looking at a lower bound at around $3.75, and then right at $3.775, you probably want to look at most of your $4 puts, because eventually when it reaches this point, it will become the absolute buying point, because this action is very oversold for the stock. So if I'm gonna give you a range, right? If this stock go to $2.7, I will definitely buy. My buy rating for this will be very high, because you will see a delayed short squeeze right at this point. Same thing with AEI. Remember the AEI run where we say it's gonna be $2.2 plus 9%, in around 1.5 to about 2.25 month. This is the same thing. So the next, so where will the price rebound back to, right? What's your upside right here? So upside is right here. So if we look at how much the upside is, so upside is about $6.14. So the upside is $6.14. So your upside is about $2 on the upside, and your downside is about $0.36. Yes. This is actually a pretty good trade if you buy some, leap call options or yearly call options on the $4 line. And another stock we need to really talk about in the next video is CEI. We did talk about it yesterday, but I think we didn't cover the very technical basis of it, and I'm gonna make another video about it. Hopefully, guys, you enjoyed this video about TMC. I know you guys have some questions about it, and I think I answered most of it in terms of giving you guys a price action or price target or range or whatever. I'm not personally still in TMC trade. What I did is I liquidated around here, and I do think maybe I will get back into it maybe tomorrow or maybe Friday, because the market is really uncertain right now, and I highly recommend you to watch the video that I just posted before this video. We talk about the risk and profit sort of mindset. You should always put risk first and profit, because eventually you will understand that trading is a survival game instead of okay, I'm gonna get rich overnight. It never happens. It won't happen ever. Hopefully you guys have a great night, and see you guys on the upside tomorrow. And if you have any question, comment down below. If you like this content, smash the like button as usual, and you will get 10 years of good luck if you sub. Also, comment down below if you like any of those camera angles, or you want a camera to switch around a little bit. I mean, I'm basically gonna pick up my life, or reorganize my room, make my stream corner looks nice and pretty, and all those kind of stuff. And see you guys on the upside.